My people, person don't come outside when they disturb our ears. Oh, the lady just they cry, they disturb us. Now so we come dey ask her say, wetin happen? She say her father don't disown her. We come ask her say why they disown you? You go thief, abi you do something. Now so you show us tattoo wey dey for her back. This lady go tattoo Bobrisky face, put for him back. Him papa come see am, him papa come tell am say from now on you are no more my child. And the reason why this girl even come outside dey cry, she say the thing wey dey pain her say no be because say him papa don disown am. He say upon all the tattoo, you know say that thing dey pain. All the pain, sacrifice, money and everything wey this girl don do. He say Bobrisky no even notice am one. Even her shadow. He say Bobrisky no even show am love. Bobrisky no even do like say okay him get fan. Like the girl just dey heartbroken. So because for una wey no know, join me make we listen to the madam.
Una help me oh. And for that dissolve me just because I had a tattoo of Bobrisky drawing in my back. Oh my God. I don't know how to do myself. I don't know. Even since when I do this tattoo self, Bobrisky didn't show me any love. Didn't even follow me back or anything. And Bobrisky, I didn't draw this just because of your
Sometimes I don't wonder if some people they inhale some harmful substances. I just dey wonder. Every day when we wake up for this country, na different story, different matter, different wahala. I no just dey understand. See, nose like letter M. Because you know it's not showing me love. It's not doing this, huh? They have dissolved me. They have it. You don't know, sir, as you dey like this, you just dey stupid. You don't know. You just carry your abeg me, I never do am before. How much dey the tattoo person? Because I dey imagine the pain and that thing sef, I dey even dey imagine the money wey person go even spend. Hey, oh, some people, some children. Omo she. You dey look for person wey go follow you back. Also, no, Bobrisky no follow you back. Bobrisky, I don't understand. You want become celebrity, you know go find way to become celebrity. You dey wait, make Bobrisky follow you back. Your father even try. I mean, at disown, you just disown you. Disown you, pere. Now you come outside, you can't dey cry, you can't dey disturb. If I be your papa, before I disown you, you see that tattoo you carry for your back, na small one. The kind tattoos wey I go put for your body with cane, those kind marks wey you no go ever disappear for your life. Any day wey you see am, as you dey baff, you dey remember say you do something because of money. Una see where una life just dey go. Una see una hold the steering of una life. Una dey drive. Una no even see road. Una just dey go. No money now wey you go do tattoo for, where the money? We no even see the money. Bobrisky sef no even notice am. Bobrisky sef no even give you. Una remember say e get one time wey dey give person 1 million naira because he tattoo person celebrity for body. Una remember? Now why this girl now don come outside, come dey do the same thing? Why una just dey look for free giveaway cash? Why una no fit just say una go do legit work? Just work hard and make your money. See, if una make money, oh, you see, ignorance na sin. Ignorance na disease. You know say if you make money now, all these people wey una dey die for, na them go even start dey look for you. Na them go wan start say abeg make we work together, make we do something together, make una no just rock account, una no get wisdom. You are wisdomless. Hey, Bobrisky. I just should say this guy do this thing in purpose. He purposely no talk. Because how you go see this kind of thing when you no come talk? Person to see na your fan, oh. All of una na birds of the same feather. That one wey go tattoo in papa body. See, una go dey talk say, I love my father, I love my mother with all of my heart. They are the best things that have happened in my life. Una go dey sing praise and worship on top your papa and mama head. You never tattoo your father for your body. Oh. You never do am for your life. You have never. Person wey mean the world to you. You never come outside say, show us. Say, oh my God, I just tattooed my father. You are foolish. You have I cannot continue, I beg. Biko Bobrisky, thank you. Say you don't even show anybody love. You understand? Thank you. So that these people now, they know where they go. You understand? It's good. Because they need to learn how to work hard by their own on their own. It's very, very important. Thank you. At least this time around, are they your side? Even though, because usually you say you do the mumu anyhow. Bobrisky no beg you make you tattoo your body. In no contract, you say do this thing and I go give you contract or I go give you money. You just say, you just go. Social media don't become problem for us. Social media don't become, and the thing una no. These people they show una wetin they want make una see. Now the only part where una go see, the one where they want make una see. And they go post, funny enough, no, una don't ask yourself this question before. Sit down, ask yourself, how come all these celebrities, anytime when they come outside, do you say that they can't post picture or videos or make speech or anything? Why be saying only the good parts they bring? Or nothing say they know they get bad parts? Their bad parts, in fact, heavy past the good ones when they see. They no go bring that one come outside. Now why even they vex? They go show us bright colors, shining like diamonds, all those plenty things. Una self mumu, una go dey rush, they follow them. Biko, everybody get dark side. I be waiting in the corner. So no, they deceived by all these things when they do. I beg me, I no go even talk more than this one where I don't already talk. All of una way they watch me now. Tomorrow, if una like, go be the next person. Go tattoo maybe Davido or another person. Make una continue the tattoo. Naira Marley. All of una way get fans. I dey wonder wetin these celebrities don't do for una life. Una go take this kind risk. One risk. I bet my people drop una comment for that comment section. I don't vex already. You understand? And make sure say you subscribe if you never subscribe. Share this video because this way girl, she need hear me, and Bobrisky too need hear me. Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story. My people, I don't bring on another kasala. Oh. Wahala for who know they date one person. Now so they catch this girl for restaurant too. She date. In fact, if they even tap that girl at that moment, she no go even wake up. She don't go. Person sit down near her and no be her boyfriend. And so her boyfriend come enter the place, come see her with another bobo. Come see wahala. Now so the boy come approach them. Oh. Hey, wahala. Before you know, my people, now so I just see person we know where we cap again. He remove wig cap, he remove shoe, he remains small self if we even take her handbag so that she go trek go house. And the thing wey come shock me pass, person wey sit down there with this girl, he japa. Also, I bet for now we don't know wetin dey happen. Join me, make we watch them.
Hello. Guy, I'm fine. The guy no get you. Guy,
Let me talk to her.
guy, yeah, you get you.
Na rubbish no.
She won't come here now. She don't know what
Stop recording. Stop recording.
Omo, abeg o, forgive me say I dey laugh. The thing just too dey funny. I know say now go come dey insult me because sorry. Oya, make I no laugh again. Make I no laugh again. See, my people, in as much say I no dey support wetin the man do, but see, e dey sweet me somehow because women una no dey like dey one place. E good for you, my sister. E sweet you. In fact, I wish say I get you lollipop now. I go lick am for you. E sweet you. How you go eat your cake and still get am again at the same time? When you don see am, na witchcraft. You dey date this one, you still go dey only you. You be mother Abraham. You wan carry everybody. E no dey possible because imagine. I just see this guy now wey come carry wig cap, carry shoe, carry this thing. Abeg in as much as say una go dey condemn am, me too I dey condemn am o. Im action no too good. But my people, if na you, wetin you go do? You know say no be everybody get cool temper. Some people own. See, wetin you go take as aggression, na wetin another person go just look smile. So everybody get your own way wey dey behave. Ladies, make your money. Una say no. Work for your money. No. Everything woman go dey ask man. Baby, I want wig cap. Na the wig cap you don remove now. I dey sure say even the shoe, na the man buy am. You no carry the handbag because no be him buy am. Any small thing una go want, pad, bathing sponge, this one, toothbrush, everything una go dey wait make man buy am for una. How una no go experience embarrassment? I no dey support wetin she do, but at the same time, na lesson wey we go learn. Imagine say na this girl buy everything by herself. Highest na just okay, if he confront them, then wait for her make she come house or make they meet, then they go settle matter. But because she don't allow this guy overdo, the guy don't come carry all the things when using sweat by now. I be waiting. I beg see. I know they thought say independent women, their boyfriend no fit give them something, but again respect wey they go give you. In as much as no, make una check am. Check all those ladies wey they do everything by themselves. I'm not to say they know they need help for once in a while. You understand? Check them. Even if they cheat, e get how the guy he go bring the matter with respect, with you understand? But when man no say, you know, in fact you dey useless. No, wait. Abeg, see, I'm not even one start they bring many matter here. The one now wey even make me one jump fly. Now that one wey stand up. Omo, the guy run because person wey get mind remove wig cap. No, imagine wetin he go do to you. If he fit do this thing to person wey I no even know how many years they don dey together, but I dey sure say he love her. Imagine wetin he go do to that one. Chai, wahala wey bone straight. Charlie, but my brother, you wey run. It be like say your head no correct. Well, instead of you make you sit down, abi you be man. You be man now, sit down. Defend her. You say you love her. So now this time now you supposed to show say you love. Now wow, your main boyfriend weary. Your side hen or there. Una no go gree look for responsible people, reasonable people who na go date. You look for person wey go support you, sponsor you every corner. You don't face am now. See, I know they support the girl, oh. You understand? I know they support am, but the embarrassment self, no, e reach. Imagine for public. You know, say we ladies, we know they play with our wig cap. When we don't cover her like this, our face don't change. Now you just come outside, Chineke. Abeg, you don't carry wetin you dey look for as you dey cheat. No go make your money. Continue dey sit down. Even after this one happen, I know say she go look for next victim. You go look for another one now where you go dey do the same thing. See, my sisters, sometimes forget laugh where they laugh. Men dey try. Men go get they go get their own personal problem, they go carry family problem, they go carry, in fact, some of them even get siblings sef wey dey go school, many wahala. So upon all that problem, e still dey take care of you. And you get mind go anyhow sha. As matter reach me sef, dey say madam aproko, if you be say no be relationship, maybe they just be friends, ngwanu. But since nobody explain anything, the girl too sit down there, nobody gree talk, e don happen. E don happen, my people. So this one now na another discussion for another day, because as it is now, that one don vex go, and I dey sure say now na breakup go come happen. My people, abeg, make we work hard. My fellow women, make we work hard to avoid all this kind, you understand, and stay faithful. If you don't decide say na this person you dey date, why you still dey jump go another place? Stay one place. You don't know where your blessing go come. Na so una go dey jump. Abeg, that one sef no even be my consignment. My own now be say, any of una wey know say una know this guy number, the one wey carry that wig cap, make una give me. I need call that guy, understand, because if I say that wig cap na Bond Street, and I never buy Bond Street, I need make a call am, so that you understand, me and am fit discuss wetin be una business. I just wan ask her something, so that we go, you understand. Wahala for Bond Street. To my brother, abeg, if you dey watch this video, locate me. Very important. Me and you get serious discussion. But people, abeg, drop your comment for that comment section, so that we go battle this thing. Who dey right, who not dey right. I know say many of una get plenty things wey una go talk. And make sure say una share this video, so that that guy especially go hear me and go locate me, and make other people know wetin dey happen. And make sure say you subscribe. Very important. Stay tuned for our next story.